it's a long journey. I actually got it actually, believe it or not, it actually got started with blockchain and cryptocurrency back in 2015. I had a friend of mine who introduced me to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other cryptocurrencies, and I started looking at it, and it really floored me. And I back then I wanted to see if there was a way we could combine blockchain technology with artificial intelligence, and you know develop applications that we would be based on that. Unfortunately, the developers I was working with said the world is not ready for that, and they were right. And so I dabbled quite a bit in blockchain and cryptocurrency. I did a few things there, and then AI started to pop up again. I've been interested in AI since Deep Blue beat won the world chess championship. So I've been watching this technology for ages. I've been talking to high-end developers. Um, this is not something that's new for me. It's interesting because when you talk to the to high-end developers, the question always comes, what is intelligence? Is
Mm.
intelligence not just remembering what happened when you took a series of actions and say and you develop the ability to say, okay, well, this and this resulted in that three times. So if I do it on a fourth, what's going to happen? And that's really what artificial intelligence is. The difference between artificial intelligence and what we as humans do, artificial intelligence can learn literally a lifetime of experiences in a very short space of time. Depending on your computing power, it can learn that in minutes, if not seconds. Uh, the where the technology sits exactly, nobody's really nobody's really telling us where it's really sitting. I have
Mm.
a lot of suspicions as to where it really sits, as versus what we have been introduced to. But this is technology that's here. It is going to change so many aspects of our lives. There is nothing any of us can do about it. That is the critical thing. We are at a point now in Western society, Canada, the United States, Western Europe, Australia, New Zealand. We are at a point now where you either learn how to utilize AI, leverage it in your business, or you will get steamrolled. The only the only avenues right now that I see that are uh, quote unquote safe from being steamrolled by AI would be long form content creation, because AI has a hard time with this kind of thing, and manual labor, welders, electricians, plumbers, car mechanics, things like that. Those are all things that still require people. Do I think AI is going to come for at least one of those sectors? Oh yeah, it
Mm.
will.
Actually, Word, I pulled in preparation for tonight. I pulled up some videos that we'll watch in a little bit of some of the robotics that are kind of going to be associated with AI and able to do. I was talking with a friend just yesterday and was saying, AI is going to come. Won't replace the plumbers because they're still going to need someone to crawl into your house and like replace a pipe. But with the advances in robotics, that might also be a thing of the past. Although maybe we'll have to deal with cost effectiveness issues here, but uh, AI is, as I said in kind of a teaser for this episode tonight, it's here to stay, and it's not what we think it is. It's so much
No,
more.
no, it is the idea that the general public has of AI is, Skynet. It's going to kill us all. Probably not. Uh,
Mm.
Mainly because the AI, cross our fingers here, is intelligent enough to know that, hey, if I drop that nuclear bomb, it's going to cut off my power, and then I have a problem. So AI is probably not going to kill us all. I would I feel more confident that people will do that long before an AI. But AI is going to change everything for us. It is an absolute game changer.